Well, that was an interesting night. We sailed up from Burnham on Crouch, out into the North Sea, and up to Harwich, in fact Shotley Marina, and we set off at 5:30 and we made landfall again here at Shotley at 12:20. We then had a cup of tea because we are gentlemen, and we followed that by food, chilli and rice, cracking, good at the damn lot because we were hungry. And then we went to have beers. Now, the beers finished 4 in the morning after Peter had subjected us to the One Hit Wonders pop quiz, which is amazing. I knew a little bit of it. The other guys, fantastic knowledge. So we've had a pretty great night already sailing, and today we have got forecast of really good wind, but in the complete wrong direction. So as a treat, we're going to take Jordan out to a place called Sealand, because he is our real estate agent, and he is the guy that everything turns to gold, or is it sold? One of the two. So hopefully we will be able to see Jordan's face when he sees his next prime property, and then we're going to sail back. The wind is likely to be between 16 and 20 knots, so plenty of wind. The boat will be a little bit leaned over. It'll be leaned over a lot, and we're going to bang the nuts out of sailing. So that's it for today. It's cracking weather, which is always a good thing because it gets cold and I don't like cold. That's it for now. Bye.
You got the business, look. Your
Oh, actually, look,
top on, you've got your gloves, your hat.
I almost look like
It's all happening, you know what you're doing.
Right, interview to camera.
Go on.
So gentlemen, after a hard night's drinking, what's the best recipe for curing the hangover?
Stuart's breakfast with eggs obscurus, I believe, and some sausage and bacon.
Plus waking up in a still harbour with
As opposed to
pure sunshine, uninterrupted sunshine beating down on you.
Caribbean morning. Check
Yeah.
out the weather.
Caribbean weather.
So, bearing in mind you came in pitch black last night,
Yeah.
what's your thoughts on today?
Well, we were just saying it's completely different to how we perceived it when we came in last night. And it actually looks, I think it looks less industrial in the daytime. I know obviously it's pretty industrial, but last night everything, I can see forklifts and stuff going around. It's nice here.
Yeah.
It's actually alright. And it's busy as well. Lots of other boats sailing, which is nice to see.
I do believe we have just entered the actual sea by the feel of that.
Yeah.
Because if you draw a line from that headland to that headland, walk on the nose there with the tower. Oh, you can see Walton Tower now. See it? On the headland. It's on a paper chart. Somewhere from. Going straight across lots like that. Anything where we cross the wind is still reaching. Different kinds of reach. We've got the beam reach. The wind's blowing across the beam of the boat, exactly 90 degrees of the boat. We've got broad reach, where it's more coming from here. We're on deep reach. Deep reach. 12:45.
Okay, Fox Pop time. Interview time. Okay, Jordan, fill us in. What's happened over the last half an hour?
Last half an hour.
Yeah.
The main thing is we've gone from wind power to diesel power. I think we saw about 25 knots of wind at one point. You said that was too much to sail, right?
It was pretty lumpy.
So now we're heading directly to the sandbanks under diesel power. Pull the sails away.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Easier or worse under power?
What, under diesel power?
Yeah.
Less crashy, but when we were heading into those waves, that was pretty.
Yeah.
I think this bit is a bit smoother anyway.
Yeah.
I think if we were sailing now, it would be probably smoother than what we're doing, just heading nose in.
The interesting thing is, we are even with the engine on, and we're going pretty fast. We were travelling the same speed as when we had the sails up.
Yeah. This is just more direct.
But
right?
this is more direct. Yeah. Cool beans.
Cool.
Have you got a number that you're happy with?
Yes. It's funny because bearing is something like picking a spot.
Smiling!
It's funny because when you stitch this together, you're going to see us slowly
it's
getting more and more wet and dishevelled.
We set off in glorious sunshine this morning, and then
I know.
it's descended to this.
We're so brazen.
So British though. We woke up apparently
How's the year gone?
no idea.
Here's our lateral passing down our. When Pete explodes.
Oh,
We're almost there, gentlemen.
Oh, you're filming.
Oh yes, because there's light at the end of the tunnel.